Welcome to Bike Future, where we explore the technology shaping the future of speed, power, and innovation. Today we're diving into the skies to talk about the 2026 F-22 Raptor, the latest evolution of America's legendary fifth-generation fighter jet. With cutting-edge upgrades and renewed purpose, the Raptor is once again proving why it remains the symbol of air superiority in the modern age. The legacy of the F-22. The F-22 Raptor first took flight in the late 1990s, developed by Lockheed Martin as a stealth air superiority fighter, capable of outpacing and outmaneuvering any adversary. For years it was unmatched, stealthy, agile, and equipped with advanced avionics that made it nearly invisible to radar. But as global air forces evolved and newer jets like the F-35 and foreign stealth fighters entered the scene, the Raptor's technology began to show its age. By the mid-2020s, many wondered if the F-22's time had passed, but instead of fading away, it has been reborn for 2026, rebuilt to meet the challenges of next-generation warfare. The 2026 Modernization Program, the 2026 upgrade, isn't just a tune-up, it's a complete technological overhaul. The F-22 Raptor Modernization Program integrates advancements in radar, communication, and electronic warfare to keep the aircraft ahead of potential rivals. One of the biggest changes is the AN/APG-82V2 radar system, a powerful active electronically scanned array radar that gives pilots longer detection ranges and faster target tracking. This upgrade allows the Raptor to spot threats before they even know it's there. The cockpit systems have also been revamped, introducing an AI-assisted interface that helps pilots process information faster. The result is a fighter that not only reacts in real time but can predict and counter enemy maneuvers with data-driven precision. The power behind the wings. The Raptor's twin Pratt & Whitney F119 engines have been enhanced with improved thrust vectoring controls and better thermal management. This means greater agility, higher efficiency, and even quieter stealth operations. These updates ensure that the Raptor remains the ultimate dogfighter, capable of performing maneuvers that no other aircraft can replicate. Additionally, the integration of adaptive engine technology, borrowed from sixth-generation fighter research, gives the 2026 F-22 better fuel economy and range. It's a blend of speed, stealth, and sustainability that future-proofs the aircraft for decades to come. The weapons of tomorrow. In 2026, the Raptor carries a smarter and more versatile weapons package. Its internal weapons bays now support new long-range air-to-air missiles, such as the M260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, designed to outmatch even the most sophisticated enemy interceptors. It can also deploy precision-guided munitions for ground strike missions, transforming the Raptor into a multi-role powerhouse without compromising its stealth profile. Stealth reimagined. The Raptor has always been the gold standard for stealth. But in 2026, stealth isn't just about radar, it's about digital invisibility. Enhanced electronic countermeasures now allow the jet to mask its electronic signature, jamming and confusing enemy sensors before they can lock on. Its exterior coating has been upgraded with next-gen low-observable materials, improving its radar cross-section performance while reducing maintenance needs. This means more flight hours, fewer repairs, and greater mission readiness. The Raptor's role in the future battle space. The 2026 F-22 is designed to work seamlessly with sixth-generation aircraft, such as the upcoming NGAD, Next-Generation Air Dominance Fighter. Acting as both a frontline hunter and a networked command node, the upgraded Raptor can share real-time combat data with drones, satellites, and other jets, creating a fully integrated combat web. This makes it not just a fighter, but a force multiplier, a cornerstone of America's future air defense strategy. Conclusion: the Raptor reborn. The 2026 F-22 Raptor proves that innovation never stops. Even decades after its debut, it remains a technological marvel, faster, smarter, stealthier, and deadlier than ever. In a world where air superiority defines national power, the upgraded F-22 continues to soar as a symbol of unmatched engineering and strategic dominance. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Future. Stay with us for more deep dives into the machines shaping the skies, the roads, and the future.